Okay, good morning, my dear student. Today we discuss new topic. What is our new topic? Without actual division, find the terminating or non-terminating. You already discussed this topic in the 9th class. Clear? Then first of all, we know what is the mean of terminating. First of all, what is the mean of terminating? Terminating. In the actual division system, if remainder is 0, it is called the terminating. It is if dividend is completely divided by divisor, in this case remainder will be 0, that is called the terminating in the actual division method. But we can find any division which terminating or non-terminating. It is the topic of real number and our new examination pattern for the MCQ type question. Then in the 1 marks question it is asked. That's why we discuss the same topic. Then first of all, what you can do? You can find the factors of the prime factors of the denominator. We can find the prime factors of denominator. Okay, what you can do? You got a question, means you got a rational number in the in the form of p upon q, or numerator upon denominator. Then in the denominator you can find their prime factors and roughly. Clear? Then after you check in the prime factors of denominator. Only 2 comes. Then it will be terminating. Or third step, in the prime factors of denominator, only 5 comes. Then it will be terminating. And the fourth and last step, if in the prime factorization, if in the prime factors of denominator, two and 5 both come, then it will be terminating. Here, except 2 and 5, last step, except 2 or 5 and 2 and 5, any other digit, any other prime number, any other prime number in the prime factors of denominator, then it will be non-terminating. See, with the help of terminating and non-terminating, you know that a rational number which is in the form of p upon q, where p and q are the integer, is called the rational number. And complete definition of the rational number: if any system which is in the form of p upon q which is terminating, then it will be rational number. And it is, if it is the non-terminating but repeating, that also be rational number. But if it is the non-terminating and non-repeating, in this case it will be irrational. Clear? Then we discuss this topic. Suppose it is 1 upon 8. If you want to check it is the terminating or not, then what you can do? We can find the prime factors of denominator. Here denominator is 8. Then 1, 2 into 2 into 2, only 2 comes, or 2 to the power 3. Then it will be terminating. In the same way, 13 upon 625. Here, then you can find the prime factors of this. Then in the prime factors of denominator, you see 625 is written 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. Then only 5 comes, that will be terminating. In the same, 3 upon 100. Clear? Then in the 3 upon 100, you see the prime factors of 100 is 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. It is the prime factors of the 100. Then 3 upon 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. 2 and 5 both comes, then it will be also terminating. Except this, suppose if in the denominator it is 4 upon 24. Clear? Then or it is 1 upon 24, and you want to check it is the terminating or non-terminating, then what you can do? You can find the prime factors of the 24. 24 is written 8 into 3, then prime factors of 8, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Then you see here 2 comes, but 3 will also present. That's why it is non-terminating. Is that clear? If you have any doubt regarding this, then you can note down it, and then after you can understood, I think. See, regarding this, you can solve the exercise 1.4 as a homework. Your homework is exercise 1.4. Exercise 1.4 is related to this topic. That's why you can complete it. Okay, thank you.